NIO's newest car, its mid-size sedan the NIO ET5 is currently seeing a large increase in production output. It is known that the ET5 will most likely be the top sales runner for NIO and that the car is very well received by the public. So let's have a closer look at the ET5 production ramp-up and what effects it will have to NIO's deliveries and financials. The NIO ET5 got revealed on NIO Day 2021 and the first deliveries took place in September 2022. Since, the delivery numbers of the ET5 have increased drastically. In the December deliveries video, I showed how the monthly deliveries of the ET5 have evolved since September 2022. The growth of the delivery numbers of the ET5 is very clear, like shown in this delivery number chart of the NIO ET5. Since September, the ET5 delivery numbers have more than doubled every month to a total of 7,594 units in December 2022. During December, the ET5 deliveries made up 48% of the total deliveries. How comes there is such a fast ramp-up? A while ago, NIO said that their second and new factory, located in the NIO Park, will only focus on the ET5 production. It also seems that the supply chain problems that NIO had for the ET7 aren't present for the ET5. NIO did prepare the parts for the ET5 production in advance so they could have a fluent production start. Back in September, the COVID situation in China also interrupted the production cycle for multiple times. Now that the zero-COVID policy is fading, the factory is able to produce without the need to shut down the whole production. Though the COVID-19 policy has changed, there is still a risk that a lot of the workers could be taking days off because of a COVID-19 infection. What changes will happen because of the higher ET5 output? Of course, the first big effect that the production output has is that the waiting time for the ET5 has decreased. NIO already lowered the time from order to delivery twice in the last weeks. On December 2022, the waiting time got lowered by 1 week, to a delivery time of 9 to 11 weeks from a previous 10 to 12 weeks. Now on January 5th, the waiting time got lowered once again. This time from 9 to 11 weeks to 8 to 10 weeks. Even though the ramp-up of the ET5 will generate more revenue, the margin of the ET5 will be lower as the ones of the ET7, ES7 or ES8. Being a smaller car than the other mentioned models, the price of the ET5 is lower and so is the margin of the car. This will be slightly noticeable in the car revenue in the earnings report and also in the vehicle margin. We already saw in the third quarter of 2022 that NIO increased its revenue, even though they delivered less cars than in the previous quarter. This happened because of the increased delivery of the NIO ET7 during the quarter, which generates a higher margin. The same will likely happen now with the ET5 in the other direction, though this will only have a minor impact overall. If NIO keeps up this pace, then there could be a significantly increase in overall deliveries in 2023, which we all would probably be happy about. That was it for today's video. I would like to remind you that I will do a giveaway of a NIO Life product as soon as the channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated about the NIO topic. I wish a nice day.